is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Riah and thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys Easter outfit ideas. I was born on Easter in the year 2000, so Easter is literally my favorite holiday ever. So I am going to be giving you guys some Easter outfit ideas for this year. Definitely not basic Easter outfits at all. If you have to go to church, some of these are probably not the outfits for you, but I can't wait to show you guys some pastels and some like spring looking outfits. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you enjoy fashion, I would greatly appreciate it if you subscribed to my channel for more fashion outfit ideas, and I would love for you guys to be here. Just get right into today's video, some Easter outfit ideas. I don't know why this clip is so short, so I'm gonna go through it very fast. This outfit is very revealing, and if that is your style like it is mine, I love this outfit so much. The tank top is from Urban Outfitters, the jeans are Target, and the heels are actually Shein. This outfit is definitely way more appropriate. And the shoes for this outfit are actually the brand Wild Diva, which I believe are sold at JCPenney's, Amazon, and Tilly's. The top for this outfit was actually thrifted, and I tried looking up what the name was on the tag, and it just brought up a bunch of random stuff, but I found similar ones on Shein that I will link down below. The jeans are actually from H&M, and I swear they fit me so good. We had to take a doggy break in this outfit. The top is from Shein, the pants are White Fox, and the shoes are actually Tilly's. This is definitely my favorite outfit from this video. The blazer is from H&M, the dress is from Forever 21, the shoes are also from Forever 21, and the belt is obviously Gucci. Well, shoot! This outfit is so cute too! The tank top is from Shein, the blazer again is from H&M, the skirt is Forever 21, and these shoes are also Forever 21 again. The final outfit for this video, I forgot to take off the tag from the shirt, and you will see that later that I finally realized that it's still there. The top is from Forever 21, the pants are PacSun, and honestly I'm not too sure where the shoes are from. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.